Hello everyone, I'm Alban Mallet, CEO of XtreeE, and I'm glad to present you our new technology for university and laboratory. We are a company based in Paris, and we created the company 4 years ago to create a solution for construction, precaster and architect to enable the possibility of making 3D printing concrete at a large scale. We develop a lot of different types of products for construction, products for landscape architecture, products for urban furniture. This is just possible because we use robots and we have a complete chain of value and data from the design to the production. And this is really interesting because you don't lose information in all this process. The technology we develop for university and laboratory come from our expertise on the industrial version for construction and precaster. What we have done on this technology is to create something really easy handling, really easy to use. Because it's really hard for industry to take a lot of effort to understand this. And we need the research to push and to learn a lot from the material and the possibility of 3D printing concrete. Today, with 3D printing concrete, we can really think out of the box. There is a lot of possibility. Our offer for laboratory and university is really simple. In this technology, we have two main elements. You're going to put your solution and your premix inside a buffer tank, which keep an agitation of the premix. When this agitation is done, you have a control pump which regulates the flow from the buffer tank to the head of the XtreeE extrusion. Inside the head, we're going to control exactly the amount of material we want to deposit. We inject the adjuvantation, which enables you to have a good setting time and a good rheology. We input a lot of sensor inside to be sure that you can analyze what you are doing. In the sensor, you have the pressure control, you have the torque of the motor, the speeds of the motors, and everything can make you understand what you are doing. You have also a software solution. The software solution we propose to you make it possible to create really simple design and to draw it with the robot. We are doing 3 types of training. Training of material to make you understand what is this material and how you can improve it. We make some training also in design, and also we train on the technology itself to make it possible for you to use it really simple way. After those 4 years of research we have done in XtreeE, now what we want to do is really work with you. We develop this technology for university and laboratory, and we want to create this ecosystem between industry and university. Our main goal at XtreeE today is really to work closer from the research to be sure we go fast and we find good solutions for construction.